Hello, everybody. It's Bill Fallon over at the Plasma Infusion, and I have the brand new P series Pachinko. It is the EVA Neon Second Impact machine that came out in December of 19, and this is the first one we've gotten. This is actually our first P machine. It is actually really cool. Just want to show it off. It's not ready to go yet, but it will be shortly. We just have to add a little voltage transformer to it and some volume controls. We have to figure out the volume controls where they belong and run through this machine. But I just wanted to show you guys, it's got this gigantic, massive screen. And I want to show you the robot that's on here that's actually kind of cool. We're going to power it up. Right now it's in attract mode. And it's got very cool attractiveness. Hold on one second. I'm going to power it down in just a second. I'm letting it run through that movie. The screen, it looks like it's about 20 inches or so across. But let me power it down. Give it a second. It's got this very cool ball with the LEDs that are around it. It's also got specific buttons for volume and brightness, which is kind of nice too. We power it on, and this guy drops down. It's also got a blower in the front here. His eye changes, which I'm thinking it's its own LED, and there's some things that pop up on the bottom too. And then I just realized this is a blower. So it's blowing air at you, flying maybe, a la the Macross one. But the robot is pretty cool. Like I said, his eye, I believe, is his own LED, because when it's powered off, that actually turns black. And you saw he squints and opens his eye when we power him on, and then he comes down. And then, like I said, there's these like search beacons on the bottom that pop up along with that bottom piece there. We haven't played it much, but we're working on it right now. Still uses a CR adapter, still uses the same key, generic Pachinko key. Seems to work on these things. This is Bitsy Senkyo, who makes these. Like I said, this is our first one here, and just showing it off. You guys would love to see the newest machine. Like I said, this is from 2019. We have another EVA machine that's from 2020. It's also arriving this week. It's on the same shipment. For some reason, it's coming as a split shipment in a couple different pallets. But we'll show that one off too. That error code that's on the screen, it's because there's no balls in the back. It's telling you to call the attendant, and there's no insufficient balls, no balls. But very cool, and it will be up on our site shortly. And as soon as we have it ready to go, it'll go. It goes with the movie that I believe was supposed to be released last year. I'm not sure about the other machine, how they could make a machine two different, and they're actually two different frames. Two EVA machines that are 119, 120 that are actually two different, totally different frames. We'll show that one off shortly as soon as that one arrives, but it does seem to go with that movie. That's actually been delayed due to the apocalypse. But anyway, enjoy. Thanks for checking us out, and we'll have more shortly.